Are your car's vents, dashboard, and hard-to-reach spots gathering dust and dirt? Looking for a quick and satisfying way to keep your car interior spotless? Let's check out the TICARVE Cleaning Gel for car detailing car vent cleaner. How to use it. Open the container and take out the cleaning putty. Knead it slightly to make it pliable. Press the slime gently onto dusty or dirty surfaces. Watch as it picks up dirt, crumbs, and debris. Avoid pressing it too hard or using it on wet or oily surfaces. Once used, place it back in the container to maintain freshness. If you are interested in picking up TICARVE Cleaning Gel for car detailing car vent cleaner, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Product features. The Pooladiki Car Cleaning Putty Kit Slime Cleaner is a versatile and fun cleaning solution designed to reach those hard-to-access spots in your car's interior. Perfect for cleaning air vents, cup holders, dashboards, and other tight areas. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's ideal for on-the-go cleaning, keeping your vehicle fresh and spotless. You can also use it to clean small appliances like fans, keyboards, laptops, and calculators. Just press it on and let it do the work. Warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.